Andax Industries is proud to introduce the Vault Maintenance Dewatering System. Designed for construction, industrial, and utility applications, the VMDS efficiently filters water, removing sediment and hydrocarbons while allowing clean water to flow through. Simply connect to a standard 2-inch cam-lock discharge hose to deliver a reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly water filtration solution. Custom socks and connectors are also available. The Andax Vault Maintenance Dewatering System is efficient, reliable, and built for environmental protection. Constructed from durable materials, the VMDS withstands harsh job site conditions. It's easy to use and requires no maintenance. With its oil-selective absorbent core, the VMDS helps prevent harmful pollutants from entering storm drains, rivers, and waterways, ensuring compliance with environmental regulations.